Okay, we're going to take a moment and look at how to use OneDrive to back up your MacBook files. First, before we begin, you need to be sure that you know your West Virginia Department of Education 365 account. That is your @k12.wv.us email and password. You need these items in order to log into Microsoft. We will go to the bottom of the screen and we will click on Self-Service. Once in self-service, we are going to go to Microsoft on the left-hand side, or you may use the search bar at the top to look for OneDrive. Once you have located OneDrive, you then click on Install. We will allow OneDrive to install and we'll be back with the video as soon as it finishes installing. Once it's finished installing, you'll see the word Done and then the word Open. So let us click Open. Once we are open, we must set up the OneDrive. So we will enter our state email address, which is @k12.wv.us, which is usually your first name dot your last name. When we click on Sign In, it will then ask where it's personal or work or school. You will click on Work or School. You will then be brought to the next Office 365 prompting screen where you will put in your password. Once here, you click Sign In. And this will ask you to choose a OneDrive folder location. You may put this OneDrive folder anywhere you would like. I personally choose the desktop, but that's totally up to you. We will leave it at your discretion. Once the location is chosen, go to Next. Once you are at this screen, you then just simply click Next. Turn on Files on Demand. You can either open the extensions now or do this later. I'm going to do this later. Open at Login so my files sync automatically. If you click that on, some of your files will continue to sync. Open my OneDrive West Virginia Department of Education folder. You will notice it's located here. And we will take a look at the top of my screen at this point. You will notice a cloud right here. This is your OneDrive. Once you click on it, you will notice that it is starting to back up my files. You can also simply open up your OneDrive. You then have access to wherever you placed your OneDrive file. You can honestly click and drag anything into this folder, and you can organize it the way you want. Once you drag things into this folder, it will sync to your OneDrive. You will notice a very quick circle that shows up on the cloud. Let me do it one more time with this file. When I drop it in, you'll notice the circle show up, and once it's done uploading into your OneDrive, it will stop. This is how you use OneDrive for your MacBook.